Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to try something. Does this work? I saw this on Reddit or something of that nature, that if I go ahead and flame the tip of a eyeliner, that it will apply better. So we're gonna try just applying it first. This in as normal. This is a Maybelline eye and brow thingamajiggy, just in case anything went wrong. So it takes a bit to apply, as any eyeliner. Yeah, it takes a bit to apply. Let's see what happens when we do this. I'm nervous, just to be honest. Oh, wow. Okay, do I need to let that cool down or something? Okay, so it's a little waxy now. And let's see. Okay, it's just coming off. Maybe I did it for too long. I think maybe I did it for too long. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, it does work, guys. Oh, it does work. Yeah, except I left it on there probably a little bit too long and needed it to cool a little bit longer. Oh, let me go. Let's try it again. It came in a 2-pack. Oh. Just a little bit. And then let's put it on. Oh. Let it cool a little bit, guys. It's basically becoming liquid eyeliner. This is something I need to practice. Oh. Oh, goodness. Ooh, it sets fast. It's setting fast, which is good if you put it on right. For me, it's making my eyes water right now. Uh, yeah, it works, but let it cool down a lot more than I did, and because it's going on a bit more gloppy because I just put it on. You see. Ooh. But yes, no, that works. Oh, man. Oh, and it dried, guys. It dried really well. That's like staying put. Huh. Okay. Yeah. I hope this helped you guys figure out if it's something that you were looking to try or not. Be careful with it, and I would probably I wouldn't probably do it with these. Do it with something that's already melted, or maybe a pot, and melt that a little bit, and then use a brush and apply it. But yeah, okay, yeah, this was not the best way. I hope that helps you guys to figure out if it's something you want to try or not. I wouldn't recommend it. I'll recommend it using it in a pot. Be careful, fire, all that stuff. I'm not a makeup artist. All my disclaimers, all that stuff. Okay, I will see you guys next time. Man, this is heavy on my eyelids. Bye. Sure. water. Oh, goodness. What was I thinking? I'm not that good.